everyone. I just want to do a quick video on Bernanke's comments today. Here's the title of the article from the Wall Street Journal. Bernanke's comments hurt stocks, treasuries, but dollar gains. We are seeing strength in the dollar today and subsequent drops in commodities of gold and silver and other commodities like oil. I'd just like to give my thoughts really quick on what happened today and where I think things are going. I think that people should not be fooled that a lot of people in the silver and gold paper markets are reestablishing their short positions and giving an opportunity to cover. He didn't say that QE3 is not going to come down the road. He just refrained from commenting, and of course the market overreacts like it always does. And but I've had a feeling that sometime this year there would be some major dips in the market in general, and I think that everyone should just look at it as a good buying opportunity. And the other thing that really irks me about this article is it talks about how because of that now there's dollar strength, and I know everything is done digitally, but I don't understand how the dollar can gain strength if the same extended money supply that they've been printing is still out there floating around. The Federal Reserve has not, taken money in and taken it out of the supply. Nothing's been changed. All it is people trading on the news from Bernanke's deposition and the beige book, the New York Fed beige book that came out today. But, to tell, the market that the dollar is gaining strength, and I mean that maybe digitally and on CNBC and how it trades, maybe that's the truth. But the actual physical money supply, is still the same. It's still the extended supply that's out there. They haven't called any in, and I think that in Europe, they just kicked the can down the road in terms of Greece and a lot of these other countries, and Belgium and Italy are going to have to be dealt with, and in Spain. So I think that we're in for a lot more turbulent times, and I think that everyone needs to be aware that buying silver and in the 30s and the 20s, wherever you're buying it at is a good idea, because we're in for some scary times ahead, and don't be fooled by these little, intraday corrections or, weekly corrections. Just look at it as an opportunity if it goes down. I buy at the highs and the lows. Luckily, I've had some really good purchases that, I'm still up on most of my position. But you shouldn't really look at it as that. You should look at it as, preserving your purchasing power. What I'd really be interested to hear from the people that watch this video is, what are your thoughts on food inflation? Please leave a comment below on what you think, what percentage of food inflation you're going to see at the supermarket this year. 1%, 10%, 100%. I know that different things inflate at different levels. Like aluminum went up and peanut butter went up, while something else will stay the same or drop. But on the whole, what do you think in terms of food inflation? We'll see. And also give me your opinion on, by the 4th of July, where do you think the national average for a price of gasoline at the pump for a regular will be? All right, thanks, guys.